Hi guys, today we are going to be doing a tutorial for the teen animal charm bracelets. Oh, and there goes some of my beads. So each kit will be themed. It will have an animal and each kit will say which animal is on it. For this kit, it was a seahorse. This is just pretty simple and straightforward. I like to start by putting my charm on the string first. The only thing that you're gonna need to supply is a pair of scissors. Don't fling your beads around like I do. So I like to start out by putting my charm on first, and then I like to have things even on each side, but you can choose what you want to do. This is your bracelet. So yeah, just kind of have some fun putting it together. And you can choose to bead the whole thing if you want. Of course, you don't have to. You can leave it partially beaded. Let's see here. I think I want these ones next. And some of the beads may not fit on the string. I was just using what I could. I really like this string. It's hemp because it's pretty sturdy and it doesn't fray a whole lot and it's not going to break. I really like the more natural string that I can find. So yeah, since my theme is a seahorse, I of course want everything to look nautical. I'm gonna do this gold next. And if your string does start to fray a little bit, you can just easily twist it back. You can always wet it with a little bit of water so it'll stay, but really it's pretty simple to work with. Orange is not going to work out. Oh, that's what I was putting right there. And you can see that my string has started to fray a little bit here because I kind of forced a bead over it. But see, I just twist it and it just goes right back. That's what I really like about this string. Let's see. And if the fraying starts to bother you, you can always just trim it off. Just be sure that you have some sharp scissors, otherwise it can just create more fraying when you decide to trim it. What bead was I using? Oh, purple. All right, and I am pretty happy with where my bracelet is at. I have a pretty small wrist, so as you can see, it's going to cover most of my wrist. So what I suggest doing is make a knot at the end of each beaded area. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. And this way you can take your bracelet off and on without worrying about your beads always falling off. And make the second knot as close to your beads as you can. Just like that. So you can see where my knots are at. My beads have just a little bit of room to move back and forth, but that's it. They're not gonna go anywhere. So now I can just put it on my wrist and tie, or ask somebody to tie, whichever one is easiest. I like to do just a simple little tie there, and that's my bracelet. I hope you guys have fun with this and enjoy. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to us. We like to see what you come up with. Have a great day, everyone.